In this video, I'll show you how to fix on your 2018 to 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. You get the no remote key detected message in your dash and your car is not starting. I'll also show you where the key pocket transmitter is located. So let's get started right away. Everything that I'm showing you in this video has been took from the owner's manual. So first thing, where is the key fob transmitter pocket in your car? It's in the first cup holder. Okay, the one that is closer to your dash. You will have to lay down your key fob in there and don't touch it. To solve the no remote detected message in your dash, first turn off your Equinox. Then put the key exactly where I showed you. Put it flat if possible. Next step, put your foot on the brake and press the start-stop button. If you have a key, simply crank it so the engine starts. And voila! You're done. Replace the battery in your key fob as soon as possible, and once you do that, you won't get the no remote detected message next time you're trying to start your Chevrolet Equinox. Please leave a comment down below if it worked, if you have any questions, and also like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a beautiful day.